kunjina hono and oyi nedi, which you are right. I don't have a problem. She's right. Abrefi ukunu champion girl no say if you don't know.
Just the latest no.
Yeah, ni champion girl on the guest house no so Kumasi. I feel na me ye ni taxes ho adwuma
of the guest house.
Yeah, because ba ko so a shawo fo no ane ho no ni guest house no a shawo fo nkwa na koda.
Is he running a brothel and answer them?
Na osofu wontua electricity. Waye illegal connection. Ewo sa net down 4 no say there's a boys quarters over there. E ho na connection ma e na the manager no soro. ECG for some mutie ni a muntie ni obi nim. Wo so ye sofo. Florence was adie we kura eye ofe Florence. Ukunu coronavirus kura wontumi spell.
And sanitation.
Na wo compare me to ukun aka say adie we. Ade ameye wo no. Me share that and both tape because enipa bi ka o no yo oba enipa se na nitra na ni nton you have to respond accordingly. What you say? Nti wo nim se oni abrafi eda eye ofe ukunu de onye adwamanfo oni Priscilla receptionist da one of the Priscillas no singer no wa wonti wa warranty meyi ni pictures ne free akama koma say munyi enu free. I just want to save a marriage then gra ni kunu beti na ukunu ti ni kunu ti a obetumi afaso agya no because say utie obi ni advisor odi ma ni maid no okofa no na ni kunu ni ti ya na obi ni advice say on deny na reasons are o ma ye no one way a Priscilla we ukunu to ti a also obegya but they past until I will not use that against you.
But we are showing the pictures, Chairman.
That girl, take it out.
No, I'm saying the rest of the pictures.
Yeah. We are showing. Because we want more cry. Hey, Benedict Gaffaro, you know.
But the Gaffay cry. It is an actress, though.
Yeah.
Ghanaians know her.
Not a Miss Rowan.
My goodness.
Yeah. The way you know, your friend, a dear way. I'm just repeating your words. A dear way. Florence Ajubi Obinim.
Press before no. Pictures are ready.
They see I would na mommy and kai and son or pictures in grabber. Jemima
great
1, Priscilla the singer 2, Abrefi guest house 3, Eunice Medina 4, Susie 5, Perpetua 6, Edna 7, Lavia 8, Ivy 9, Edna 10, Benedicta Gaffa 11, Priscilla the receptionist 12, Adua Airport 13
women.
Me wo bebre oh mampache say na come show pictures no but me tia asem ye kura mabufu.
Yeah, we would
but I really want to control myself into the kakra o mfamra na mbo o mayi nchem.
Ken, this lady, let me ask you a question. Can we say, sir, Obinim, any sa and may
where your friend Ivy
ni?
Yeah.
Oh, quite a shapy girl.
Florence, who do you know?
Let's discuss them.
Oh no. I know the any business. I will not discuss anybody. I don't want to disgrace any woman here. I only
share pictures.
Where so the Priscilla. Receptionist, no.
Oh, we need receptionist in the prison.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Kobium.
Then
Lavia
ni.
We na ni kunu no any boyfriend no ogu na anima se was all them Osha no. Your friend Isaac.
We boyfriend ni Isaac, you know.
We the family.
Okay. The family, that's Perpetua. Edna.
And the mother. I
see.
Yeah.
And so perpetually, Obinim name.
Where your friend Eunice.
Yeah, before Baba Eunice, you know, Perpetua ni Edna ni na Oduomo.
Oh, come.
Oh, Eunice. My goodness. Eunice.
Yeah.
Pretty though.
Eunice. I don't know how that was Medina Haman.
Amano.
Yeah.
So hono butu.
Aye.
Wow.
We Jemima no or near you know what we know.
Florence will be named sister no.
I can't know that okay, yeah, we know ye girl name Eunice, no.
Eunice, no. I see.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
I can't maybe 2 girls, you know, you person describe what no be able.
2 girls, no. So
yeah, Priscilla, no receptionist,
let's take a step back, producer.
Girl be no gonna no social media. Na nimu round se kusuya.
So men call a step back. Wow. No.
Like, na mu wie yo.
Yeah.
Mu wie Abrefi. Abrefi we Priscilla no okay. Osane girl ba ku gina hondi na make 7 years. Anya sa de kwa Abrefi.
Okay.
On the am so obi nim pen pa obo so oni ni gina ha. Obi nim champion girl Abrefi.
All right, producer Rolling.
Say what the guest house no.
Yes, here we have this lady.
That's Abrefi.
Abrefi.
The car water man no.
Okay. Is it the color building owns the colors right one here?
A greenhouse. Is that well,
no, producer, but you'll take your time.
Then we come back to the greenhouse.
Oh,
where the action
exactly.
is.
This is the greenhouse.
You got it.
We mentioned the colors. You got it.
You got it.
That's what you see there. Yes. So Abrefine jina hui.
Abrefine no. Tianko.
Wow. I see. Greenhouse. The background is a
pink house.
And so what? Extreme right. To her. Okay.
Obaba kono waware mamu show the pictures.
Okay.
And nice. I don't want to break any marriage. I won't do that.
What? Gosh. But
hey, Gafano so mu dia wa ho.
Gafano.
Ade yen save before you.
Before the next day. Okay.
Yen save before you.
Please yen share the next picture no. Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Let's come to the studio here.
Now obinim. In 2004, mun show pictures no a omoye occult
no. Okay. Producer mama picture no obi ni ma share rope. Obi ni ya share rope. Sa rope and it's as if he's at a swearing ceremony ye initiate no.
There were no can woman initiate guy back
on in the occultism.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's watch this picture near say obi ni mo no ginem ana say dey na omo hono. Take a closer look at this picture. Any idea? Opinion. And the rest of them. One more here. Here, the picture you see.
Oh, the opinion legina so.
And ojina echiro honum no. Ono
share. When we share nyina omo ye occult. Akwa we isamu hwe video bi a obinim na osro.
Ye ono osro.
O share chen.
So share ne mitre o se ne de.
Red no as a mic bi kura.
Yeah.
Akwa we isamu hwe video bi a o kase mo mfra kwa me otu. Mo wo kwa me otu number. Kwame Otu neto no.
Kwame Otu neto wa ye initiate no.
Yes.
Okay.
Na omo yes ade we wie no. No mo de coins. Bebre. En om ko twa agiramoa. Mienu. En om kum wo mu. No mo de moja no efrae. En wo de ma Kwame Otu we. Eni osofo kwabana. 1 a.m. Kumasi abonte so
anadwo
and omo pity coins no egu in 2004 yeah mo amudi na chi se oye osofo enne mewie na mo hu se oye osofo a okot and oye enti Kwame Otu na wo mfimfini no a omu ya initiation ceremony. We no this same Kwame Otu oni osofo kwabana enu ko sprinkle sika no between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m.
Kumasi
abonte so momo si obi ni me osofo enti efiri on 2006 mun show ni na sorry na no osi no
producer mama that picture na early church obi ni si wo Kumasi
here Kwame Otu na so na gina ho ono no ma ni ye nioma bebre ene mate say yesi ni life kura asai why basa
after ye odeni no initiative
anye yi na sa udi bonia ubenya ho akatua enti na meka cho se obi nim se wampa onipa bia wa ma na hwere ne nkwa onipa bia wa ma ne sikahye onipa bia wa gu na dwuma onipa bia wa fa ne yire se wampa ho cho obi nim bebo da ma yi no market on the wall eye nyankopon e na ahyehye se ontimi ntina ho emma umfa onu nanim nyam emu nkofo kwasea umrebeso ebi na aso mibisa mu a musuro obi nim ne se obi meka nkyere me a o ma me kokum me of aba ere na okum wa so we ko fa ne picture by wo ne sekan 1 week ni we na me say we ejimi fo ho na ni yesa ga me ni the first person obi nim ko be wo sekan o wa enko ho na mo beti ono ani audio nsem a oka e kire se wo ye kohwini na asofo bebre e ya kohwifo baby amukwa yesi enya vision ko yese nyina obi nim se enya nokore mu betie audio no ono na eka obi nim na eka nyame na meka obi nim se enya nokore enti ostati si na sorry dai ena echa no ekofa ni boyfriend o mabusuafo gold ba ya obi nim koton asam no kokomesi a true case because the guy has gone to jail.
Yeah.
Obinim, where is the gold? Obinim, where is the gold? And now all pretending war. Adua no de say as if you say onim gold ho hwe.
This is second case.
Adua tie ni ye. Say wo hwe me tie ni ye. E kwan a ofa so ebu wo. Say wo Kumasi pa no mtadi gold no asem eba. Kumasi aso ebu sorry. Na wo de ba o se mi be the spirit be shem am na ye gold oboa ofra obi wotema no abe test ade na ma no e real gold a no ma ko bo silver yi so de ko bantuma within 30 minutes
no ma ye
o matumi aye ne se gold no wa dan no
that says a syndicate
no ye from 4 first class obi ni God will punish you and ne wa uhunti obi ko jail okofa abusua gold abrew obi nim enti wo da utumi da boni a wadi wo wiase young boy boni a wadi wo wiase utumi da obi nim bisa question na Florence obi nim memenyi ba yi ni but yesi se oni ba yi a onya kukuduro ni be enna be ma wo yachi boni a odi na be wiye no nyina na ohu se emma a wafa wo mu nyina no mo na mo gi aduro didi a me I don't believe it but obi nim say o famu na na duro na the power ayekese enye se opemu sleeping with mutiana edina ba ko bi nanim se kosua ono kwakoye audio se video oya me expose ni bia enti obi nim afa na me ba asem no so yi adia obi ni me yansa sa girls you ambobo nyina wafa wo mu o sa wode ni May 7th ne kan kura benya 14
14 May 7th
May 7th ono no de na yadru susisi
yeah
obi ni May 7th eye savior ne yira na me kan ho asem se oni na da ene om de koto social media akwa bi so de agrada se wa anye di fake okonfo bi a wote kasuwa ho ba bi se agrada
o so tu
mu asan wa anye di nipa wakum nyina na ga na so kra ma niam ya fododo wo agrada wa mia wano next me ba so opa o de se akwa bi a obaye ayiwe ha mo se wo okonfo bi a obekọ ma me pam no wo se me me ni 3 days ni mawu me se mapam TV ni ye me dia e ma ha e me ye konfusem bia wa ye na mti we me 6 years ni enti obi nim afa e ma no so be ware so ware wa mpini se wo be ware a no wa kese se wa ware no enye ibegu na apamu a oni ni May 7th no Florence obi nim wan kasa wonim na agu ase because ye bot tape ya wo beti se abrantie na nkasa audio no ɔka sɛ ne yere no ɛka sɛ ne kunu na bisa no ɔse Florence Obinim ɛna kama ne tea sɛ ne kunu ne housemaid no a wɔno Savia na wan ɛda my ready mommo audio no magana fo hu ɛma na mo pɛ bibia hu a mo kwasɔre time ɔsɛ ɔno aduane ma wo kunu ti kura na ma sɔre na ma kɔtena sɔre dem na ma ware yeguru mo ntie ne Obinim ɛka mane loud na Ghana fo nti ne yie
ebusuan sabri mebebo tape recording natural sa record ni tie ni papa o Obinim software friend no Savia ne yire o ne yire ena oni Obinim edi sa secret nkomo yi to bo ase yemfe bi nka ho ye yi bi mfe wankasa tie na muntie ene ye obre o
Is it always?
Coco.
Oh, okay.
Let me see. I don't know. No, maybe swimming, but let's not say. You do not take care of you. Then they are sending you to. Or that, a crowd. The power fall out. Take care of my father ne fa no tete me no no so man ya di nti ne fa me ka ne fa so man ya di man kan kan se na ka se nti ho no ma listener se ona se ma sa kai ne ya